crafters, Miss Ashley here, and today's craft is a funny planter. So inside your kit you are going to find, of course, your clay pot. You're also going to find your vinyl saying, I believe in you. Um, you're also going to need to grab from home your dirt when you get to that step. You're also going to need something to kind of plug the hole a little bit so your dirt doesn't fall all the way through. And I will provide the seeds for you, unless you have something, of course, that you'd like to plant from home. Okay, so to get started, you're going to first need your vinyl saying and your pot. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to peel apart your vinyl from its backing. Now, if you've never worked with vinyl before, you're going to kind of work diagonally to start, and you're going to peel apart that contact paper from the paper backing. Okay, got mine started. I've done a little bit of the hard work for you, getting it all prepped. Now, once you get rolling, you want to make sure you watch out for all of those little dots on the bottom of the exclamation point, but they stay on the contact paper, not the paper backing. That's the goal, and make sure your letters all go onto the contact paper as well. That's important. If they don't, back up and kind of work slowly and go the opposite direction. Goodness, mine just does not want to go. Hopefully yours works better than mine. Uh-oh. I've got a dot on the end of my finger. That's not what you want. Vinyl is going to be uncooperative for me. All of your black vinyl on that contact paper, but I'm kind of failing miserably over here. Hopefully you have a better experience than I do. Every single letter wants to stay on its paper backing, not on the vinyl, or not on the contact paper. So I'm kind of peeling it apart with my thumbnail. Is the longest step. There we go. Ah, the dot on the I went. That's a good sign. Aha, this is the goal. A blank piece of paper. Okay. Everything is right on that contact paper. Now, you're going to want to place it on your terracotta pot here. Okay. Now it is permanent vinyl, so you kind of only get one shot at it. Hopefully mine's not too crooked. When you get it where you want, press down hard on those black letters. Run your thumbnail across them. You want them to stay in place on that clay pot as best as you can. I'm really working my thumbnail across every piece of vinyl here. Including the dot above the I and below the exclamation point. Those are important. If you don't want to use your nails, you could also use like the edge of a debit card or a library card. Those will work well as well. Didn't happen to grab mine, so my nails are working fine. Okay, I think I've gotten every piece. So now to remove the contact paper, you're going to start again in a corner, work diagonally. That always works the best. And now the goal is the opposite. You want that vinyl to stay down on your pot. Ah, now it's cooperating perfectly. Okay, so I'm just peeling slowly. Yes. Oh, that looks awesome. Ta-da! I believe in you. Oh, I love this. It's perfect. Okay, so now your job, when the weather cooperates, of course, is to fill your pot with dirt and to plant your seeds, water them occasionally, hopefully, and watch them grow. Now, I would suggest putting like a very small piece of, maybe something like paper towel, napkin, something really thin, of course, so that the water will still occasionally drain through if it needs to. But something in the bottom there, or even putting a small dish underneath the pot, just to catch the water so that it doesn't run all the way across, and of course to hold the dirt in the bottom of your cup. But yeah, definitely plant your flowers and watch them grow. So hopefully this one is some fun for you, and I can't wait to see your pictures of your final projects. Talk to you later, everyone. Bye!